And what is up, guys? Welcome back to another market update, and welcome back to the Ace Crypto YouTube channel. So we're going to jump straight in, and we are still over the 1 trillion. You're probably bored of me saying that by now, but we're still over the 1 trillion market cap for the entirety of the crypto industry. So it's looking good. Solana's trending there, obviously down 4.5%. So this was mainly due to the Solana hack. It wasn't actually a Solana hack. It was more sort of a wallet hack, a Solana wallet hack. It had USDC and USDT in it too. So basically what actually happened with this one was there was one of the wallet companies was actually storing users' key seed phrases as literal text. So they got into these files basically, and well, the rest is history, as you can see there. Looking today, the Bitcoin 22,500, so roughly around the same margin we were yesterday, as you can see there. We've just gone a little bit up and down over the past 24 hours. So we can jump on over to the chart real quickly, and you'll be able to see there. This is the 5-minute chart. So these are all 5-minute increments. Every single one is a 5-minute increment. So as you can see, we had a bit of a pump, and we came back down to see if we could, make this into a support. Which is it a support? Is it a resistance? We don't know yet. We're gonna have to make a couple more hours. So these moving averages are coming into a cross, which would indicate a bit of a downtrend to me in the next 24 hours. So I do see 22,300s, 200s, roughly around that mark in the next 24 hours. Moving back over to the crypto coin market cap, we have Ethereum, 1,600 today, so 1,600.21% from yesterday. So Ethereum's obviously moving nicely because of the anticipation of the ETH 2.0 merger. So everyone is basically ready to start stacking their ETH essentially. BUSD is still above XRP. Cardano still hasn't gone above XRP. Solana, yeah, so we have to wait to see what happens with Solana, because the problem is it wasn't Solana's fault, but it doesn't stop people from blaming Solana for this hack, you know? Matic doing well. DAI's doing well, considering it's a stable coin. What else we got? Ethereum Classic moving just a little bit, so I do think a lot of the miners are going to be moving to Ethereum Classic in the next couple of months in anticipation of the move. Chainlink doing very well as well, massive fan of Chainlink. Stellar, see Flow, this is the one. This has moved some big numbers in the past couple of hours. We'll go over Flow Network in a short minute. So let's jump over quickly to the crypto bubbles. So crypto bubbles, you can see there, we're having a nice green day, which is nice. You've got Theta there, Trust Wallet, Near Protocol, got some big things. So this one we looked at the other day, I wasn't massively impressed in it. It's just another Metaverse project. Link doing well there. I think we saw HBAR doing well as well somewhere. Don't know where, but it was doing well somewhere on here. Algorand, HBAR. Quant is down though. Quant is down. Interesting. Moving on. So we got the Crypto Fear and Greed Index 31. So we're getting a bit more fearful. Just a little bit more fearful, but we're still nowhere near in a buying opportunity yet. Looking at the charts, we just went through this. Let's go over the 1 hour really quickly to see if we can spot anything. Similar type of movements, really. Similar type of movements there. Maybe the Death Cross isn't coming. You know, Death Cross ended up being there over the 1 hour. So this is about 2 days ago now. So it is what it is at the moment. You know, I do expect some crabbing back and forth the next couple of days. So moving on. So Theta. Let's go for Theta. So I like Theta as a coin. So Theta is a video streaming service running on the blockchain. Really like that. Co-founders of YouTube and co-founders of Twitch, really bullish on Theta. I think that's a really good use case. Decent enough, 1 billion tokens, good market volume of the 24 hours. So yeah, I'm happy with the way Theta is at the moment. I like that as a coin. So moving on to Near Protocol. So Near is an interesting one. As you saw, Near is pumping quite nicely. So if we come down here, Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain that is designed as a community-run cloud computing platform. See, for me, this cloud computing platform, that's quite bullish. I like the idea of a cloud computing platform. That's what we need. Less strain on the networks, essentially. So that is a good thing there. So I do like Near for that reason alone. So Flow, on the other hand, not a massive fan of Flow at the moment. So Flow, to me, just seems like another layer 1 blockchain, and with a move like that, you can see it's going to come back down very, very shortly. You know, that's not a realistic pump to me. That one, it's going to come back down. So it's all to do with the Metaverse Mark Zuckerberg type situation. We'll go over shortly. So this is another coin that I've looked into, Live Peer. So this one seems interesting. I got told about this one recently. As you can see there, it's been an interesting chart. Go on the all. As you can see there, that's more what we like to see of a chart. We can see bull runs, bear markets. You know, we can see everything we need to see there. So that's why I'm bullish on that one. Looking down, what is Live Peer? So it's a very similar thing. Live Peer is a first live video streaming network protocol that's fully decentralized. The platform allows to become a viable blockchain-based, economically efficient alternative to centralized broadcasting solutions. So very similar to Theta. So I think this is another good use case. You know, who's going to win the... I think there's enough room in the world for both. There's enough room for YouTube and Twitch. There's enough room for both of these two. So I do like Live Peer for those reasons. Like I said yesterday as well, there was Filecoin as well, which obviously online storage. Like, I like things that are new and interesting. I like things that have interesting use case, like real world solvability. Which things like Live Peer, things like Theta, things like Near, they seem to be doing the right things. So it puts me bullish onto those coins anyway. So I just thought I'd go over those quickly as a few to look into over the next couple of months. So, Flow soars over 50% on the NFT support news. So this is just the news of NFTs being pushed out to, I think it's over 100 countries, about 100 countries. It's roughly something like that. So, bear in mind there, this is a top one. It's still about 93% short of its all-time high. So remember that, guys. This 50% increase isn't the biggest, sounds a lot, but it isn't when there's small margins, small amounts of, money-wise. Yeah, so they spent 10 billion Meta, and they've lost 2.8 billion in the second quarter. So we'll have to see what happens. It's bullish for NFTs. It's going to Instagram, and going to be in rolled out to about 100 countries. So this is bullish for NFTs for that reason alone. Moving on, so this is a new Metaverse project I stumbled upon. As you guys might know, I'm not massively into Metaverses, but I do like the idea of this one. So Soulsborne brings together social impact and immersive meta experiences. Reborn into Animal Soul, the first experience to earn. So basically what it's going to be is, I'll scroll down a little bit so you can see some of the artwork and other bits and bobs going on down there. So it's all to do with helping out the animals and making a metaverse. It's built on Unreal Engine as well, so it's playable at the moment for a demo over on the Souls of Nature account. So if you do want to have a little look into that, yeah, by all means. 2023, I think, is going to be the release date for it, but it seems quite interesting to me. What technology you're using? Built on Unreal, which is good. When's the game launching? So that's going to be 2023, Q1. One of my NFTs do. Grants you access to the full experience, and also your character inside the experience. So it's going to be quite an interesting one. I like the idea of it, When it comes out, we'll have to do a bit more research to figure out if this is a project that we do want to invest in. But obviously, you've got some links there for the Discord and Twitter if you do want to do a bit of a deep dive. So that's just a new one that I discovered and I've been looking into myself. Moving on, 516 million Ripple moved to top-tier platforms. So this is exchanges and different things like that. So there's a lot of XRP being sent around the world to various big exchanges. The exchanges are the largest in Latin American markets. This is Bitso. So they had 30 million XRP sent to them. So it's been an interesting one. Second biggest, 135 million was shifted by Binance Exchange to Bittrex. So there's a lot of Ripple moving around, which would indicate to me there's going to be a listing at some point. At some point when the when the court case has ended, I think we will have some Ripple listings on some other platforms. So the Nomad attack, I'm sure you guys remember this. If you did get effed up by this, then you definitely know about this. So they managed to recover a decent proportion, 22 million, which I suppose is with 200 million is 10%. It is what it is. The fact that they were able to get some back anyway is a miracle. So this happened to do with a bridge, basically, as you can see here, happened on the 1st of August. More than 300 addresses collectively took 190 million from Nomad cross-chain bridge. The tool lets users move ERC20 tokens among Ethereum, Moonbeam, and Avalanche, basically. And it's usually where bridges happen. So basically getting cryptocurrencies from one blockchain to another. Normally to do this, what they do is they end up burning it one end and reminting it another side, basically. But it's not really the best way to do it. There is better ways out there. Interoperability and stuff like that is going to come in and it's going to be a big factor. Coinbase officially adds support for 2 under-the-radar altcoins. So we'll go over what these altcoins are. They're right there. Coinbase listed Stargate Finance is a DeFi play. Enables the transfer of virtual assets across different blockchains. Okay. aims to make the process of swapping crypto assets across blockchains simpler. Is simpler more secure? That's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking. So the next one they have listed is Loca. Oh, bloody hell. Loca. Come on, computer, do your job. Right, here we go. So Coinbase officially lists Loca, the native asset of a medieval... Seriously? Sort your life out, computer. I'm not even clicking anything. Yeah, so this is... Okay. Literally mind of its own right now. So yeah, this is just an NFT platform by the looks of it. Medieval-themed Metaverse battle game. Legion of Kingdoms. Right, Loca, Legion of Kingdoms. Right, gotcha. Can be used for staking, in-game purchases, and minting NFTs. Yeah, okay, another NFT play, another Metaverse play. I'd like to see, a bit more about this. I'll have to do a bit more research into these coins, but obviously these are new additions. We do have some other things from Coinbase. There it is. Coinbase hit with 2 fresh lawsuits, indeed. So Coinbase is going through it all lately. We've got the SEC probe, the security situation. There's a lot of stuff going on at the moment. Bloody hell, I tell you. Yeah, so it's a bit of an iffy one for Coinbase. Then we got the BlackRock partnership as well. So basically, what's happening here is where does it say? Suing Coinbase for making deceptive claims about its business practices. Has also filed a claim against the exchange alleging that it is entitled to compensation for any losses incurred as the result of the defendant's violation of the federal security laws. So basically what they're saying is Coinbase, you shouldn't have sold these securities, unlisted securities and stuff. You shouldn't have sold these. You should have told everyone that what they were. But at the end of the day, we haven't got any clarity on what a security is. So it's all well and good saying, Coinbase, you sold securities, but we still have no concrete, regulation as to what constitutes a security within the crypto industry. So it is what it is at the moment. I don't think these will go very far. I really, really don't, these fresh lawsuits. I do think Coinbase is probably one of the strongest out there, in terms of exchanges. You got Binance, you got KuCoin, you got this. Crypto.com is okay as well, I guess. So moving on, we got Shiba Inu goes green. So Binance apparently listed it as one of their Visa card onboard meme coins. Binance now supports Shiba Inu cryptocurrencies. Users across Europe can leverage Binance cards to make payments using Shiba Inu coin. Such transactions attract 0 fees, and users can get as high as 8% on their cash back. Interesting. Also, Ripple and AVAX has also been rolled out. Binance Card works as a payment facility for over 60 million merchants across the globe. So this is very bullish. Actually bullish for Shiba. It should go up decently in the next couple of hours, next couple of days, just because of this one bit of news. So we are bullish for those reasons alone. Do we have any other news? I don't think we do for now. So make sure you're following on the TikTok, guys. We go live every single day. And over on the YouTube for all the alpha. So over on the YouTube, we're going to be doing some giveaways. So if you do want to anticipate some giveaways, jump on over and follow the Ace Crypto, Ace Crypto channel over there. What else have we got going on? And make sure you're liking and subscribing all the new YouTube videos. We go live every day with another YouTube video. So if you do enjoy them, guys, I would much appreciate all the, if you could comment underneath it, as what you guys are holding, which coins you wanted me to go through, bits and bobs, what you want to see from the channel. I'm more than happy to accommodate for all you guys. Thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next one.